T-Mobile gateway routers, like the Nokia FastMile series, provide 5G internet. Restarting or power cycling resolves issues like slow speeds or connectivity drops. There are three main methods: using the physical button on the gateway, the T-Mobile app, and the admin page web interface. Firmware updates like version 1.2304.00.22 for the Nokia FastMile 6 now offer automatic diagnostics and restart suggestions via app notifications, reducing manual intervention. The latest models, such as the Nokia FastMile 7, support Wi-Fi 7 for even faster speeds. Choose the method that best suits your needs and technical comfort. Here's how to restart your gateway using each method. Button method. Locate the power button or reset pinhole on the back or side of the router. Press and hold for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash, then release. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for it to fully reboot. App method. Open the T-Mobile app, log in, and navigate to Internet, Gateway, Restart Device. Follow the prompts and wait for the gateway to reboot. Admin page method. Open a web browser and go to http:/192.168.12.1, the default IP. Log in with your gateway credentials found on the device sticker or in the app. Go to Advanced, System, Reboot. Always use HTTPS for secure access. Remember to wait 2 to 3 minutes post-restart for full initialization.